distribution of a coronavirus vaccine, it could be ready for frontline healthcare workers in a couple of weeks.
As far as shipping those vaccines are concerned, United Airlines is playing a major part in the shipping. They're going to be chartering flights from Brussels, Belgium, all the way to Chicago. And what makes it even more interesting, they're going to be carrying 5 times the amount of dry ice normally permitted on board to keep the vaccine at the necessary cold temperature for effectiveness.
Fox's David Spunk reporting. America is listening to Fox News.
The Factory Mattress Black Friday sale is back and better than ever. Hurry in today for buy one, get one free mattresses, starting at just $849. Or get a free adjustable base upgrade on select mattresses. Get the ultimate in personalized comfort with up to $500 off on premium Tempur-Pedic adjustable mattresses. Plus, select mattress purchases include free delivery with professional setup and worry-free removal.
My factory mattress.
Come see why Factory Mattress was voted best of the best for 3 years in a row. You won't find another locally owned business that guarantees the best price on the best selection of all the major brands, including Tempur-Pedic. Plus, get better sleep through science with Factory Mattress's exclusive Right Fit Sleep Diagnostic System. Don't miss the Black Friday sale, only at Factory Mattress, where we have sleep down to a science.
My factory mattress.
President-elect Joe Biden continuing to select who will serve in his cabinet.
The former vice president has already made a few presumptive cabinet picks, but there's still concern among some of his key supporters that the team as currently constructed is sorely lacking in African-American representation. South Carolina Congressman James Clyburn, for one, is urging his friend to consider more African-Americans for senior posts. He is supporting, for example, Representative Marsha Fudge of Ohio to be the new Agriculture Secretary. She's a fierce advocate for the food stamps program. He's also advocating for former Jacksonville Mayor Alvin Brown to lead the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Now, we do certainly expect the former Fed Chair Janet Yellen to be named Treasury Secretary and a possible Biden administration. That decision could be made public as soon as this coming week.
Fox's Kevin Cork. Biden will also begin getting access to the daily presidential briefings. States and cities throughout the country trying to contain the spread of the coronavirus as new cases mount. Quentin Lucas is the mayor of Kansas City, Missouri, and says the spike in cases serves as a hard reminder for everyone in his city and throughout the Midwest.
It seemed like Boston, what was happening started in the Northeast, and we saw a lot of the issues from the spring, but it is definitely here now. It's a challenge. We have spiking cases. Our paramedics are picking up more COVID-19 patients. We're running out of bed space, and that's part of the reason why we're looking at some of the new restrictions, some of the new challenges in Kansas City.
Mayor Lucas on Fox's America's News headquarters. Remember the border wall? So does President Trump.
President Trump rushing to complete as much of the border wall as possible before his time in the White House comes to an end. President-elect Joe Biden has said he hopes to stop construction along the southern border. Arizona has become the center of the effort, with construction crews working around the clock.
Fox's John Spell reporting. I'm Salchi in Bresso, and this is Fox News.
News Radio KLBJ. And now to AccuWeather, KLBJ Radar Weather Watch.
Periods of rain for this evening, with a leftover showering spots overnight going down to 45. For tomorrow, we'll be turning out sunny and breezy, high 63 degrees. Clear for tomorrow night, it'll be a chillier night, low 38. Monday, sunshine with a high of 55. From the Weather Center, I'm Danielle Niddle.
I'm focused on what's happening.
Choice facing America. This is the most important election. Trump shouldn't be appointing the new justice.
Gave me a clear picture